Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from Bihar Board Exam 2024. What is the nature of the root of the quadratic equation 6x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0? So student, here given equation is 6x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing with this standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 6, b is minus 3 and c is 5. For nature of roots, we require d, which is discriminant b square minus 4ac. So d equal to b is minus 3 square, 4a is 6, c is 5. So this is 9, 4 6 are 24, 24 5 are 120. So this is 111, which is less than 0. If d is less than 0, roots are imaginary or not real. Therefore, C is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.